after some 9 hours. Hours. I'll be trying to remove these. Okay. This is deep. Are you ready to see the cassette after the cleaning? And now, how we assemble the cassette does matter because of these special ramps for upshifting and downshifting, so up the cassette and down the cassette. We should be looking at this little triangle and have it the same place on all of the sprockets. Triangle. It is also important because of how we put the cassette on the freehub body, of course. 7-speed. The triangle up. The spacers are all the same. Okay, we can assemble this first. I'm doing it now because I didn't want to have my old cassette messy. What do you think about the effects? This is how the cassette looks like right now. I've lost some of the HG Hyperglide system sticker. The protection of the sticker went off, and now the sticker will be really vulnerable to dirt and use in the mountains. I lost some of this HG Hyperglide system sticker. This was the protection of the sticker, so the outer layer. It went off because of the chemicals added to my polishing, or actually the cleaning medium. So now the sticker will be really vulnerable to dirt and it will come off, but otherwise I am extremely happy with the outcome of this work. We can proceed to the next step, just next parts, just other parts of my vintage Cannondale.